The trial on Russian Special Forces soldiers Erofeev and Alexandrov will continue on Monday, March 21st. During this time, Alexandrov has to find a lawyer instead of the missing defense lawyer Yuri Grabovsky. If it not happen, the court will provide a public defender from whom he will not have right to refuse. In turn, the attorney of second Russian soldier Oksana Sokolovska filed a request to the court asking to provide her a protection. According to her, after the disappearance of her colleague Grabovsky, she fears for her and her family's lives. Instead, prosecutors said that in the disappearance of Yuri Grabovsky may be involved Russian special forces. As I was tried to be removed from the case by choosing a preventive measure in the form of detention, the same was with Grabovsky, but by physical means.
I think it is more profitable for the so-called Russian side because we are talking about process prolongation, prevention of conviction announcement in the short term in normal term. We think that this is exactly the goal of all these things that happened around this process.
Let me remind you that Yevgeny Erofeev and Alexander Alexandrov were detained on May 16, 2015 near Shastia settlement in Luhansk region after the battle. Then Ukrainian military was killed and 3 others were wounded. Russian soldiers were served with charges by 7 articles of the Criminal Code of Ukraine, including the supporting of terrorist organization and committing a terrorist act that led to death of humans and others harsh consequences. According to Ukrainian laws, they are facing life imprisonment.